miracle through.
Not many children live through what he lived through. He's fantastic. He's wild. He loves dirt bikes. He loves to run and play and do all things that all other little boys like to do. So, you know, I was just in there and heard him ask me what I thought about this. So I think it's great.
You can't stand it.
And he said, I believe that God performed a miracle for your child. He said, take him home and love him. He's fine. He's wonderful, and I don't think you're ever going to have himself fine. As of right now, we're just loving him, and we're glad he's here.
I think she's mad at Julia.
Richard is now 8 years old. He played football last year, and basketball, and baseball. He is so full of energy. He loves playing the ball and running laps and swimming. He follows him home every day. It terrifies me to know what he has to do with. But I know that he's coming back to a fantastic facility. And things will be happening. Things he ought to do. They're going to have a dedicated cardiovascular recovery. A place just for kids, like Richard. A place where he can recover with kids just like him. It's a dream come true.
She gonna kill herself?
And for many other families like Richard. I was so impressed with this mirror that Richard received here at the hospital that I went back to school. I earned a degree in registered nursing.
Dogs do not stand to be clean.